Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Is there much divorce in India?
Yes, the modern so-called advanced boys and girls, they are now after divorce.
But
before that, even there was misunderstanding between husband and wife, there is no question of divorce. Take for my life, practical. I was a householder, now I have given up. So practically, I did not agree with my wife. But there is no dream of divorce.
Mm-hmm.
There is neither she dreamed, neither I dreamed. This was unknown.
Mm-hmm.
Now they are being introduced.
Western culture.
Yes.
Do you have much of a following in India itself?
Yes. Not mine personally, but my other god brothers. This cult is very good.
How many
All millions. We have got this Vaishnava philosophy, the Krishna consciousness, millions and millions, almost all, 80%. You ask any Indian and he will talk so many things about Krishna consciousness. He may not be my disciple, but there are many saintly persons like me, they are doing this business.
Did you get formal training with a...
Yes, I was initiated by my Guru Maharaj. Is that my spiritual master photo?
Oh, I see.
Yes. So, your country wanted a certificate for making me permanent resident. So I got a certificate from my god brothers that I am initiated.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. But otherwise, in our country, there is no necessity of certificate.
In other words, there's nothing like going to a seminary in India where you go to a seminary or a monastery and take a course for 4 years.
Yes, there is a monastery. We have got an institution, Gaudiya Math institution. They have got hundreds of branches.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You go for a prescribed course of study?
Yes, prescribed course of study, 2-3 books, that's all. Anyone can read Bhagavad-gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. You learn everything. You haven't got to learn so many huge volumes of books. Because Bhagavad-gita is such nice book. If you can understand one line, you advance 100 years. You see?
Yeah.
So it is meaningful and so solid. Therefore, we have published this Bhagavad-gita as it is. Let your people read it, let them question, and try to understand what is this movement.
Mm-hmm. Macmillan is publishing this.
Yes, Macmillan is publishing.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,